guys, welcome back to another video at Mora Homestead. Before you begin, make sure to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Mama.
What you got, buddy?
Huh?
What are you doing? Those are jalapenos. Not bell peppers. What do you got? Can you say cucumber? And, yeah, squash. Good job, buddy. What in the world? You're the smartest little kid I know.
What did you do?
He picked up a squash and went, squash? Yeah.
I'm shot, Bob. Hi.
Yeah. We got a full sack tonight, don't we, bud? Let's go look at the peppers. I've been waiting to try to wait on these jalapenos till I get some tomatoes ready because I want to make some salsa, but man, these look so much better tied up like this.
Yeah.
I'm glad we did it. We should have done it from the get-go, but we didn't.
Now we know.
Here we are. Oh, look at that. That's in bad shape.
Which one?
Yeah, we need to
That
tie
limb,
up.
we need to tie that limb up. Yeah, we might
This one's snapped.
pull some of these.
Well, there's
They're
one.
getting nice and fat.
But what? He said bye. Where are you going?
Yeah, Mom.
Grandma's? All right.
Look at this corn, babe. Look, it's
Bye. Buddy.
Whatever I'm picking.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. I don't care. I'm picking this one.
Oh, wow. It stood up like since earlier when we videoed today.
Yeah, that sun pulled it up.
It pulled it. Yeah, it pulled it. Yeah,
I'm
that's
picking
awesome.
this one, guys.
Huh?
I'm picking this one.
If you pick it, you got to eat it.
Wait, what? Nah.
Yeah, if you pick it, you got to eat it.
At least you can take the seeds out of it, right?
How come you're not going to pick it now?
I don't want to eat these plain. I'll eat it if I can take seeds out.
Take one bite of it like it is.
Uncle Doogie did it.
Yeah, but he likes spicy.
I got water right here.
That's not water. That's energy drink.
We might pull the bottom three here. Pull that one,
Okay.
that one, and that one.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll eat it. You will? Uh-huh. From the bottom of it? Just,
Yep.
I'm gonna put my gum.
Spit it out.
Oh, into
Wow,
my
right there
mouth.
where we're walking. All right, wipe it off and take a bite.
I'm scared. It's gonna be super.
Off the end. There's no seeds around the very end.
Is it good?
It's like,
It even smells spicy.
No, it
Let me smell it.
doesn't. It doesn't, does it?
It smells normal.
See?
It don't smell.
It's your imagination now. You're sucking yourself out. Just take a little bite. Just and chew it up.
You always put
Real
your
quick.
mouth on it.
Just real quick. Just and chew it up. Now, bite through it.
hurry up.
Mama has water.
There you go.
There you go. See? It's nothing. It's like a pickle. Just bite through it and chew it up. What are you doing? You're cracking me up.
Is it not good?
It smells weird.
Eat it. Get it over with.
Whatever.
Is it really spicy?
Whatever. There's no way.
I got it all over the tongue.
You need
You
to
got
drink,
dirt all over your
You're
fingers.
licking dirt.
Now you need to drink milk. It'll take away spice.
Lick it. Just lick the inside of it.
Lick it.
Lick the inside, honey. Your mouth will be on
Lick it.
fire.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Is it a good one?
Lick it.
No way.
Lick it.
No way.
Lick it.
Seriously, like just
We
lick
all
it.
did
You
it.
can't taste anything. It's just spicy.
Yeah, it
Why would I
doesn't.
want to do that?
It doesn't taste like.
We all three did it. You do it.
So I don't need to. Y'all show
No,
me.
I want
it's
you to do
spicy.
it.
All right, cool.
No, just lick it.
Nope.
Oh, do it for the
Party
fans.
pooper.
Do it for the viewers. They want to see you lick it. Say, we want to see you lick it. So
Okay, they said
Did
it.
you hear it? They said it. They said, we want to see you lick it.
That's just weird.
Lick it.
I'm out.
Daddy, for 2,000 likes, what would you?
For what?
2,000 likes. Will you eat it? Okay.
No.
Are you kidding me?
A million?
Maybe if I get 25,000 subscribers.
What are we
That's
at?
like 800 more.
Subscribe.
Lick it again, Mama. Doesn't it smell spicy?
All right. I can eat these in salsa, but I cannot eat these plain. So I'm gonna pull this big one off here, the backside here, and I'm gonna take it to Derek at Stoke Living tomorrow at work,
Eat a seed.
and he's gonna eat that whether he likes it or not,
Anyways.
and we're gonna see if it's spicy. Derek,
I just want you to do a little lick on the
Why?
inside.
We
Just
licked
on the
it.
inside.
well, I don't know about all that.
Just on the inside. Just a little lick. Can't even taste it.
You didn't even lick it.
Yeah, I did.
Do it again.
Why do I gotta do it twice?
Because you barely did it.
I did it.
But I did it.
I did
Lick
twice.
it.
It's got a little spice to it.
See?
I was making sure you actually licked it.
Oh, I licked it. My tongue
Can you
on
imagine actually eating it?
the tip of my tongue's on
It
fire.
really is hot.
Oh my gosh.
You drink?
Eat a seed.
You drink?
I don't do spicy stuff.
Me either.
Like my tongue is on
I taste
fire.
I know,
sour
one
stuff. I
little
love
lick.
sour
Those
Why
are
did I let y'all?
Tastes of white.
Why did I let you talk me into that?
Milk tastes away.
Hold that.
Isn't that crazy?
Now
One
my
little
lips
lick?
are burning.
That's nuts. Let's get a piece of ice. Okay, we might all be wimps. But I like spicy stuff, but that is pretty spicy.
Mm-hmm.
Like if I took a bite, I would probably have watery eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Like he
Unless you
does.
drink milk.
Mm.
If you drink milk.
Mm. Mm.
I'm glad you did it though.
Oh, hot.
Are that all we're picking? There's more.
No, we're gonna give it a couple more days and see if
Okay.
any tomatoes turn.
This is for Derek.
Ooh, that was Derek. Derek, they're hot. Sounds like gum.
My tongue is still burning.
And that was just from the tiniest lick in the
We're
world.
gonna put that one in a baggie too. Cut the end off your leg. I'm gonna take that to him. Cause that one's hot. Huddy, what do you got? Hold on, not yet.
Sit down. I'm gonna take your picture.
Huddy, what do you have?
Mama, take
You
your
sit down
picture.
there
You
in the
gotta sit
middle.
like this. Look at Sissy.
Let's get your birthday hat. What color you want? Green?
What color hat do you want? You want green hat?
Okay. Hang on. Let's move this.
I'm trying to
Sit down right there.
I got a green hat.
Sit down, bottom.
Whoa.
Yes, put your birthday hat on.
Take a picture of the short bag for the short birthday.
Let me take a picture, okay?
Ow.
Hang on. Leave it right there. Ready?
Take it out.
What is it? Dinosaur cars.
Did you get in that, Mom?
Dinosaur
Really?
cars. Show Daddy.
Who's truthful?
Whoa, buddy.
They go,
Roar. Huddy, what's a dinosaur say?
What does a dinosaur say?
Roar.
Open another one.
Okay, which one you want? There's more over here.
What color you want? Green? Okay.
Get it out. Grab it. Ooh, what is it? Ooh, cool.
Ooh, it's
Is that yours,
hard.
Sissy? No, I got it.
That's a bad toy. It swims in the water.
Oh, I looked at this. Yes.
Yeah, it swims in the water. Watch. Watch, Huddy.
It swims more in the water. Beep, beep.
This is from Bubba.
This one's from Bubba.
What did Bubba get him?
It's a shark stuffed animal.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Daddy, a red.
Hey, did you tell Bubba thank you?
Say thank you, Bubba. Say thank you,
Which
Bubba.
one did you get in your lunch pack? She got
It's a purple one.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what are those? Bubbles.
Oh, bubbles.
Bunch of bubbles.
Oh, what? They're grabbing the sack.
Oh, look.
Oh, they are heavy.
Oh, really? That's a lot of bubbles.
Bubbles.
Yay.
Okay. Blue, purple, or blue? Blue. bought this for you. Watch this, honey. Ready? Ready?
She's like, what in the world?
Ow.
Say thank you, sissy.
Boo.
Boo.
It's got to go now. Moving right on.
He's like, I bet he's gonna be like, more.
More food. Ice cream.
Ooh.
And cookies. He could cook.
Well, that was just a little bit of Huddy's birthday celebration. He's in there playing with the toys right now, but I have other things to do. My buddy Taylor at Pure Living for Outdoors. If you guys have not checked out Taylor at Pure Living for Outdoors, iCard up in the corner, go check him out. He has been supplying me with fish for a upcoming fish fry event we have at the church with some of the dads and sons, this camping trip we're doing. So yeah, without him we would not have fish to feed everyone. So go tell Taylor thank you. If you guys have not subscribed to his channel, hit that subscribe button on your way out. So I'll show you what he brought me today. So I got a limit of crappie, and then I got a couple of nice blues in here. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Here's a nice crappie right here. So I'm just working on flaying them now with the old bubble blade. Just started. Just gonna hop on here and show you guys what I'm doing and tell you guys to go check out Taylor and tell him thanks. So yeah, once again, go check out Taylor iCard in one of these corners. Don't remember which one. We're gonna go with that one and we'll see if it's right. Go tell him thank you, subscribe to his channel, and just tell him how much you appreciate him blessing us with these fish. And you guys also saw Huddy met Hazel. He loves her. Hallie loves her. They all love her, so it's really cool. She's starting to show, so it won't be much longer. I actually just got the bid back for the fence. I think I'm going to give him the green light, get this thing going so we can get her over here ASAP. If she does have the fawns while she's over there, I will go retrieve the fawns and we'll bring them back here and bottle feed them, and then we'll bring her over after we're finished bottle feeding them. But hopefully we got them here before then. So, but hey, that's all we got on today's video. Like, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you guys have not subscribed to our channel at Morehead Homestead, please subscribe and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless.